when it crashed in the car park on Thursday, supporting the city green morning movement on Saturday. Our activist schedule has been well planned, starting from cleaning up rubbish, fighting stress, environmental education, to workshop on reducing plastic consumption at home. Together we care for the environment. Let's join these moments and show we can all play an active role in saving the environment. Together we share for the environment. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum.